Welcome back to all my lovely students. Let us start with practice set 1.4. We have done the activity. Now we will be starting with practice set 1.4. I have copied both the equations. As you can see, both these equations are not linear equation. First we will make it into linear equation by replacing this as. Again I'll discuss it with you. 2 upon x is nothing but 2 into 1 upon x minus 3 upon x is nothing but 3 into 1 upon y. 3 upon y is nothing but 3 into 1 upon y is equal to 15. Similarly, I can write the second equation as 8 into 1 upon x. Okay, 8 into 1 upon x is 8 upon x. Just this time I am writing it in a I am just showing you this equation in 1 upon x form, plus 5 upon x can be written as 5 into 1 upon y equal to 77. What are we going to do now? We will replace 1 upon x as m and 1 upon y as n. So we will write replacing, or let, any way you can write, replacing 1 upon x as m and 1 upon y as n. These are statements you can write any way, replacing or let, suppose, all these are the words that you can use here. Okay, so let us replace 1 upon x by m. So you will get the new equation. 1 upon x is m. So in place of 1 upon x you will write m minus 3 as it is. 1 upon y you will write it as n equal to 15. Fine. Similarly here the second equation will be 8 1 upon x is m plus 5 1 upon y is n is equal to 77. Clear? So now we have two equations. Let us look at elimination method. Can we eliminate few terms? Yes. If you have here 3n and here 5n. So we will interchange. Okay, we will multiply. That is, here we will multiply by 5 and here we will multiply by 3. So this will be minus 15n and this will be plus 15n. But if you are multiplying to one term, you have to multiply it to the whole equation throughout. So we will write the step multiplying. This we will give it as equation number 1 and this we will give it as equation number 2. Multiplying equation 1 by 5 and equation 2 by 3. So what are we getting? Multiply this whole equation by 5. 5 2s are 10 m minus 5 3s are 15 n is equal to 5 into 15 will be 75. And this whole equation you will multiply by 3. 8 3s are 24 m minus 5 3s are 15 n is equal to, multiply 77 by 3, 7 3s are 21, carry 2, 22, 23, 231. Okay, so this you will give it as equation number 3 and this is equation number 4. Correct? Now, yeah, this is plus, right? So much of hard work we did, and if you copy the sign wrong, gone everything. So minus and plus you have minus 15n and plus 15n. We will go for adding equation 3 and 4. So write the step. I have copied the new equation that we got here and we will write adding equation 3 and 4. So add equation 3 and 4. Let us add plus sign. 10 plus 24 will be 34 m plus and minus 59 cancel is equal to add 5 plus 1 is 6, 7 plus 3 10, carry 1 306. So therefore m is equal to 306 upon 34. Okay, both these number goes in 2's table, 2 1s are, 2 5s are, 2 3s are, 2 1s are, 2 7s are. Now 17's table 153, 17 into 8, 9, 63 carry 6, 9 ones are 9 and yes, correct. So 17 9s are 153 we are getting, 17 1 and 17 9. So our answer is m is equal to 9, put it in a box. Now we will substitute m is equal to 9 in any one equation. Okay, equation first and second, no? Out of that you substitute. I will substitute in the first equation. So write the step. Substituting m is equal to 9 in equation 1 and get the value of n. This was our equation 1. So I'll substitute m is equal to 9 in equation 1. Therefore, 2 into m we got 9 minus 3n is equal to 15. So therefore, 18 minus 3n is equal to 15. Minus 3n is equal to 15 minus 18. Minus 3n, you are getting it as minus 3. Minus minus cancel. N is equal to 3 upon 3 and we got n as 1. So m we got 9 and n we got 1. Now what is the last step? Resubstituting the original values of m and n. Resubstituting the values of m and n. This step we will write. The values of m and n. What are we getting when you resubstitute the value? We had taken m as 1 upon x. So m was 1 upon x and we got that answer as 9. Okay? Therefore, 9 means 9 upon 1. Now just go for cross multiplication. So this much part I will take it out and write. 1 upon x is equal to 9, which means this is 9 upon 1. Let's go for cross multiplication. Therefore, 1 into 1 is equal to x into 9. Therefore, what will be x? 9 goes to this side, it will become 1 upon 9 is equal to x. Go for cross multiplication. I say you go for cross multiplication, very simple, and you can be double sure with your answer. So, you have x as 1 upon 9. So, I will write x is equal to 1 upon 9 and highlight it. Similarly, what was n? N was 1 upon y and we got the value as 1. Right? So therefore, 1 upon y is equal to 1. So y will be, again I am going for cross multiplication, nothing means 1. 1 into 1 is 1 and 1 into y is equal to 1. So therefore, y will be 1 upon 1, that is 1. So we got y as 1. After this step, you will write the final answer as x comma y is equal to x we got 1 upon 9 and y we got 1. 1 upon 1 is nothing but 1. So, easy method. Now we will start with sum number 3. We will do sum number 3. So, I have copied question number 3. Again, first equation 27 upon x minus 2 plus 31 upon y plus 3 is equal to 85. 31 upon x minus 2 plus 27 upon y plus 3 is equal to 89. Denominator you have x minus 2 and y plus 3. We have to replace it. So this equation I will write it as, I can show this equation as, this is nothing but 27 into 1 upon x minus 2. Correct, no? 27. This is nothing but 27 into 1 upon x minus 2. 27 into 1 is 27 upon x minus 2. Just I split it. Then 31 upon y plus 3 can be written as 31 into 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to 85. So, this way I wrote the first equation. Second equation again I will write it in the same way. 31 into 1 upon x minus 2 plus 27 into 1 upon y plus 3 equal to 89. See children, check whether you have written the question correctly. When you copy the equation down, plus becomes minus, all that silly mistakes we do. So please check from your textbook whether you have copied the question correctly. Yeah, I have copied the question correctly. Now what are we going to do? You can see here 1 upon x minus 2, 1 upon y plus 3, both sides we will replace it by another variable. So we will write, let 1 upon x minus 2 be a, this time I am taking a, and 1 upon y plus 3 be b. So how will we get the equation now? In place of 1 upon x minus 2, I will write a. In place of 1 upon y plus 3, I will write b. In place of 1 upon x minus 2, a. And here I will write b. Fine. So we have the new equation. Okay. So you will write the equation as, first equation will be 27a plus 31b is equal to 85. Second equation, 31a plus 27b is equal to 89. Equation 1 and this is equation 2. Elimination method if you are using, we have to multiply equation. Here you can see, this is which method? See, 27a plus 31b is equal to 85. 31a plus 27b is equal to 89. The coefficients of a and b are interchanged. A 27 became b is 27. B 31 became a is 31. This method we have done. Okay, this we have done it before. Practice at 1.1. So when you have the coefficients interchange, which method are you going to use? First adding equation and then subtracting equation. So I will mention here adding equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. Let us add. So when you add, you get 27 plus 31 is 58a plus 58b is equal to 14, 16, 174. Now we can take 58 common. Yes. So therefore 58 common if I take, I get a plus b. 58 निकल दिया बाहर. So 58 गया तो a बचा plus यहाँ से 58 गया b बचा is equal to 174. Take 158 to the other side. You will get a plus b is equal to 174 upon 58. So this part I will just erase it off. So what we got? Therefore a plus b is equal to 174 upon 58. Check 58 3s are 8 3s are 24, carry 2, 15, 17. Done. So 58 1s are 58 3s are. You got the equation. A plus b is equal to 3. Highlight it and give this as equation number 3. Equation number 3. Similarly, now we will subtract equation 1 and 2. We'll get then new equation number 4. So, you subtract and meet me. Pause the video, subtract and check whether our answer matches. Did you do the same way? I put the minus sign. Now all the signs will change. Here minus and here also minus. 31 minus 27 is 4a. 31 bigger number, minus sign. Oh, slow. Again plus and minus minus. 31 minus 27 is 4b. Here greater number is 31. Its sign is plus. Equal to 89 minus 85 is 4. 89 is bigger number and minus sign. Here we can take 4 common. So I'll take 4 common. What you get is minus a plus b equal to minus 4. Therefore, minus a plus b is equal to minus 4 upon 4. This 4 comes here down. So, finally, we have the equation as minus a plus b is equal to minus 1. Minus a plus b is equal to minus 1. This is equation number 4. Equation number 3 and equation number 4. Observe. One is a plus b is equal to 3. Another is minus a plus b is equal to minus 1. A and here you have minus a. So, as simple, we will go for adding equation 3 and 4. I'll write adding equation 3 and 4. Here I'll write adding equation 3 and 4. So we have to add. So when we will go for addition, a and minus a will get cancelled. B and b is 2b is equal to 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 will be 2. 3 is bigger number, plus sign. Done? So therefore, b will be 2 upon 2, which is equal to 1. So we got b is equal to 1. Highlight. Substitute the value of b in equation 3. You get a. So if b is 1, how much will be a? Therefore, a plus, in place of b put 1, equal to 3. So a will be 3 minus 1. A we got 2. So when b is 1, a we got 2. Fine? Copied? Now we got a as 2 and b as 1. Are we interested in variables a and b? No. We want variable x and y. So what is the next step? Resubstituting or replacing any word you use. We don't care about the words. We care about the steps. Resubstituting a as 1 upon x minus 2 and b as 1 upon y plus 3. So one by one let's start. 1 upon x minus 2 was, what was a? 2. That is 2. Go for cross multiplication. So therefore 1 into 1 will be 1 is equal to 2 into x minus 2. Okay, 1 into 1, 1 is equal to 2 into x minus 2. So therefore, open the bracket, 2 into x, 2x, minus 2 2s are 4. Therefore, bring 1 minus 4 to the other side. 1 plus 4 is equal to 2x. So 5 is equal to 2x. Therefore, 5 upon 2 is equal to x. So we got x as 5 upon 2. Highlight it. X we got 5 upon 2. Simple, every step explained. Now similarly, let us substitute 1 upon y plus 3 as b is how much? 1. And get the value of y. So same way, now I will write 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to 1. Again I will go for cross multiplication. 1 into 1, 1 is equal to 1 into y plus 3 is y plus 3. So therefore 1 minus 3 is y. Y is equal to minus 2. So x we got 5 upon 2 and y we are getting minus 2. Write the final answer. I hope you understood. So this sum we did by adding and then subtracting and then eliminating and then resubstituting method. Finally, we have the values of the variable. Let's take the last sum. Coming to the last sum of this practice set, we have 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 3 upon 4. And here you have 1 upon 2 3x plus y and 1 upon 2 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 upon 8. What is common here? 3x plus y, 3x minus y, same way here you have, and here also 3x minus y. So we will fix with what we decided. We will take the equation, write it down. So the first equation will be 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 3 upon 4. Now this equation given as 1 upon 2 and then 3x plus y. Okay, 1 upon 2 and then 3x plus y. This 2 is the denominator. So, you should be careful. Minus 1 upon 2, 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 upon 8. Let us substitute 1 upon 3x plus y as m and 1 upon 3x minus y as n. So, we will write let 1 upon 3x plus y be m and 1 upon 3x minus y be n. Please mention respectively also if you didn't do it before. Respectively. Equation 1 upon 3x plus y is 1 upon 3x plus y is m. The whole thing will become m plus this whole thing will become n is equal to 3 upon 4. Similarly here, how will you replace? This 1 upon 3x plus y is m. So this whole part, this full part will be m. And what is coming down? 2 will remain as the remainder. So here I will write it as m upon 2. Don't take 2 to the numerator. 2 is into the denominator. So this 2 will remain here. Only 1 upon 3x plus y will become m. So this will be m upon 2 minus 2 will remain in place of 1 upon 2, 3x minus y will get 1 upon n upon 2. This whole thing is n. So there I wrote n and down you have remainder 2 is equal to the remaining part minus 1 upon 8. Fine. So this is the twist of the last question. You have one number as the denominator. Let it remain. This we will give it as equation number 1. This we will give it as equation number 2. Now we are not in favor of this fraction form. We don't want denominator here. You can see denominator here 4. We want to remove that 4. So what are we going to do? We will multiply by 4 throughout. Okay. So equation number 1 we will multiply by 4 throughout because we want to remove this denominator. What will we do to equation number 2? Here also you can see denominator. Which is the highest number here? 8. Okay. So we want to remove this 8. We will multiply by 8. Throughout you have to multiply by 8. One term you can multiply by 2 and the last time by 8. Like the different numbers you can't multiply. If you are multiplying, you have to multiply by the same number. So here the highest number is 8. So we will multiply equation 2 by 8 throughout. So let us write it down. Multiplying equation 1 by 4. Okay. And equation 2 by, what did we decide? 8. Multiplying equation 1 by 4 and equation 2 by 8. So, what will be the equation 1? How will it change? Multiply by 4 throughout you get 4m plus 4n is equal to 4 cancel 3. What is happening here? If you multiply by 8, 2 1s are 2 4s are. So again here we are getting 4m. See, God is with us. We got 4m minus 2 1s are 2 4s are. 4n is equal to 8 and 8 gone. Don't forget this minus sign. Minus 1. So this is the new equation that we got. Let us give this as equation number 3 and this as equation number 4. Very clear, you can see here one is plus 4n, another is minus 4n. So we'll go for adding equation 3 and 4. So beside I'll mention the step, adding equation 3 and 4 Adding equation 3 and 4, what will you get? Plus 4n minus 4n cancel. 4 plus 4 is 8m is equal to 3 minus 1, 2. So how much will be m? 2 upon 8. This part let me cancel. I'll erase. I hope you have copied it. Till here I'll erase. So what are we getting now? 8m is equal to, so what we got? 8m is equal to 2. Therefore m is equal to 2 upon 8. M will be 1 upon 4. If m is 1 upon 4, we will substitute the value of m in any one equation. I'll substitute in the third equation. Put m is equal to 1 upon 4 in equation 3 and check what you get. Remaining part I'll do here. So we'll put m is equal to 1 upon 4 in equation 3. 4 into, in place of m, we will write 1 upon 4 plus 4n is equal to 3. 4 cancel. So 1 plus 4n is equal to 3. 4n will be 3 minus 1. 4n is equal to 2. So we got n as 2 upon 4. N will be 1 by 2. Okay. So m we got 1 upon 4 and n we got 1 upon 2. Now the last step, final step, resubstituting the values of m and n. After getting the values for m and n, last step we will write resubstituting the values of m and n. Resubstitute. So m is 1 upon 3x plus y. 1 upon 3x plus y, we got 1 upon 4. Don't wait for me, do cross multiplication. 1 into 4, 4 is equal to 1 into 3x plus y will be 3x plus y. So we are getting this as 3x plus y equal to 4. Similarly, get the value of n. N we took as 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 1 upon 2. Cross multiply. 1 into 2, 2 is equal to 1 into 3x minus y will be 3x minus y. Therefore, 3x minus y is equal to 2. Now, we have again 2 more equations, but we are not scared. One is minus y and plus y. So, we can easily add these two equations and get the value of x. This equation I will give as number 5 and this equation I will give as number 6. Write down adding equation 5 and 6. Adding equation 5 and 6. Add. So when I added the 5th and the 6th equation, I got 6x is equal to 6, x is equal to 1. Now put x is equal to 1 in equation 5. I'll put it in 5. 3 into 1 plus y equal to 4. So therefore y is equal to 4 minus 3. Y is also 1. So final answer, x comma y is equal to, x is 1, y also 1. It was a little lengthy question, but you will get some good marks, 4 to 5 marks if such type of question comes for the exam. So I hope you understood each and every sum discussed. Children, we are not meeting face to face, so if you liked it, if you understood, I will come to know about it if you click the like button. So please hit the like button if you understood the sums. Till we meet with the last practice set, application of linear equations in two variables. Complete the book, pause the video, complete, do the sums on your own, then check from me like that. complete your practice. Bye.